Welcome, my dear students. Today we will learn how to use the calculator to make math easier. Then primary 5, I have some examples and we will learn how to use calculator to solve these examples. Okay, primary? Example number 1, I wanted to approximate this mixed to the nearest hundredths. Primary, as we learned, we know that before approximate, we must to convert this fraction into decimal. How primary? By multiply 8 down by its friend. Its friend is 125. Down by 125 and up by 125. Then this fraction will be decimal number. But today, I will use calculator to convert this fraction into decimal. Primary, I will use this fraction. Okay, now I have this fraction and the number up and the number down. Put 1 up and 8 down. Put 1 up and down, put 8. Now press equal. After equal, primary is the same fraction. To convert it to decimal, click here SD. Click SD. Now 1 over 8 becomes 0.125. Now primary, I will put 3 here in the whole part instead of 0. Now this will be 3.125. Now we can approximate this number now. To the nearest hundredths, 2 in hundredths place, and 5 is reached. Add 1 more for 2. 2 will be 3 and 5 will be 0. Now the number will be 3.13. The next example, I wanted to divide it 3,978 by 234. Make 3,978 by 234. Primary, as we know, I have out 3-digit number. Then I will take the 3-digit number here, 397 divided 234. I will make table here for searching. 234 by 1 equals the same number. By 2, I will use the calculator. 234 by 2 equals 468. Equal 468. Primary, now this number is more than this number, then I will take the number before. 1 up and 234 down and make minus. Again primary, I will use the calculator to find the difference between the two numbers. 397 minus 234 equal 163. 163. After that, drop 8. Search for this number by 3. 234 by 3 equal 702. 702 by 4. 234 by 4. 936. 936 by 5. 234 by 5 equal 1,170. By 6. 234 by 6 equal 1,404. 1,404 by 7. 234 by 7 equal. Look here, primary. I have now my answer is the same number, 1638, 1638. Now put 7 up and down, and now make minus, and we finished my example. Next example. Now the answer will be 17. The answer will be 17. The last one, dividing two decimal number. Primary, let's remember, before dividing, the two decimal number must be the divisor without point. How make the divisor without point? Look here, the point after 1, 2. Then I will make by 100 for the two numbers. This number will be 92. And this number by 100, move the point 1, 2, will be 19.32. Now, make 19.32 divided by 92. Primary first, try the two-digit number. 19 divided 92. Is that possible? No, can't be. Put 0. And take the third digit. Before taking the third digit, we met the point. Then put point first. Then search for 193. 92 by 1, 92 by 2. Use calculator. 92 by 2, 184. 184 by 3, 92 by 3 equal 276. 276. This number is more than this number. Then I will take by 2. 2 up and 184 down. And now I will make minus. 193 minus 184 equals 9. Equals 9. Now, after minus, drop 2. 92 divide 92 equal 1. Now, primary, I have finished. Thank you, primary, and good luck.